Okay, we're here to look at the modeling mini project. You're in 4 groups for this. Only 1 person has posted so far as we look at this. You're supposed to look at this Disney ticket price data, and I asked you to go from 2000 to 2018, listing the first price available from each year for one-day tickets. So $46, $48, $50. Like here in 2004, there's a bunch. Just take the first one, $52. You'll make a table of that data, with this being 0, 46, 1, 48, 2, 50, 3, 52, etc. On down to 2018, 129, I guess, would be the first data there. 18, 129. So that's pretty crazy. Alright, so you're going to take all that data, and there's different things that you could use, but your graphing calculator is probably the easiest one. You're going to put that data in L1 and L2 with 0 through 18 in L1, and then all of these prices in L2. And then you'll do second calc for your data, and do a linreg, a quadreg, and an exponential reg. So that is number 4, number 5, and number 0. Okay, so that's use your calculator. Find the R² value in each case. Your calculator should be spitting those out when you do the regressions. Based on your findings, which model fits the best. And then use each model to predict the ticket price in 2019 and 2030. So what you would do there is for each one of the equations that you got back, plug in 19 and then plug in 30 and get the values. So that will require you to write the equations down and then put those different numbers in for x in each one and work those out in the calculator. And then based on your predictions, which model seems the most reasonable. So that may not line up with the one that fits the data best, because one of these models might go crazy by the time you get out to 2030. It might say, well, let's see, what would be crazier? That Disney tickets were $300 or that Disney tickets went down to $75. I don't know, both of those sound pretty crazy, but I don't know. Okay, that's the modeling mini project. While we're here, let's just go ahead and discuss the rest of the semester because I got a couple questions. This is the front page. We're just going to leave it at this front page, except this video is going to pop in here. Really, if you look at the modules, you can see you got the mini project, and then you have the Chapter 7 stuff, culminating with the test that you can either take in the testing center or at home, which you will need to email me for a password again. That's November 29th, so that's coming up just 10 days from now. We've updated the project instructions for the last time, and the final due date for the project is down here as December 11th. Someone asked in an email if there was a final exam. The final exam is the final project. So the way the course is set up, if you breeze through and finish up this modeling homework, then you can just wrap up the project and be done. So let's take one last look at the final project instructions. We've gone through the stats part, the graph theory part, the finance part previously. All that stuff should get put in your project depository. And then we have added to the end down here, week 12 and beyond, part 4, creating a presentation. Google Slides, PowerPoint, Slides.com, Prezi, any of that stuff that you want. I would love it if you would do a screencast. I use screencast-o-matic.com. It's super easy. I'm going to give you not 53 extra credit points, 5 extra credit points on the project if you screencast and talk over your presentation. It should not be you talking about every single part of the project, just a summary, but make sure to hit important mathematical stuff like standout roller coasters, etc. There's some rules for what a good presentation should be, a rubric on how this is, or at least what the points are worth on each one of these. that kind of thing. So around 10 slides of real material, and then extra slides if you have photos and videos and stuff. And I need a link or upload of your presentation and any videos that you make put in that project repository. And the last part, part 5, are just answering these questions about the class. So those are 2 points per question. Make sure to be kind of thorough in answering those so you don't lose points on that. You can just answer those in the repository forum. If you think you have every single thing done for the project early and you want me to look at it and go ahead and grade it, email me and I will try to get around to grading it with a couple-day turnaround. If you're turning it in by like December 8th or 9th, I'm probably not going to be looking at them anymore. But if you were to send me something this week or next week, I could definitely look at it before the final, maybe up through Monday the 3rd, Tuesday the 4th, and then I start getting all of my end of the semester stuff, and I'm probably not going to get to grading all the rest of these until they're all due on the 11th. So, okay, this may be the last time I talk to you on video, unless some questions come up. So thanks for being in the class. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's it.